We were waiting here for a truck. Is it a truck or a Blazer?
I think it's a truck.
We think it's a truck. It's an LS swap truck. We're gonna wire it for him, and I don't know. We're gonna find out what we're gonna do to it when it gets here. So patiently we wait. All right, we got a new truck in the shop. It is a little bit different than what we've had in here. What is this, a K something?
It's K10. It's a 73 to 80 K10.
Yeah. A little LS swap action going. Apparently it's got a little higher lip cam in it. And it's blue.
Yeah,
so,
it's blue.
Yeah, it's blue. So.
Nice looking rig.
It is a nice looking rig.
That'll be cool.
I think it's going to be awesome, man.
Yep.
A little trouble getting it off of the trailer, but...
Trash Metal Customs knows how to do that shit.
That's right. We just happen to have a 68 Massey Ferguson. So, cool.
Sweet.
Let's see what we gotta do.
All right.
So basically, when it comes down to it, this thing needs a lot of stuff before we can start it. It's missing the
Oil pressure sensor.
It's missing the oil pressure sensor, coolant temp sensor. It's missing the pigtail for a few things, and then no dipstick. We're not sure if it's got engine oil in it or not, but we're gonna find out before we start it.
Yeah.
And it's got dual tanks. He's running two. Here, he's running two fuel pumps with two tanks. So we're gonna have to run two separate relays and run like a ECM controlled both relays and then just ground control it to the factory switch or whatnot. So yeah, what do you think?
I think that we've adopted somebody's problem.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
But you know what? That's okay.
Yeah, we'll get her done.
Because you know what? To every problem, there's a solution.
And that solution?
Yep.
Trash Metal Customs.
So I'm going to try to figure out how to hook up the drive line there. We'll put it in one of many holes.
Yeah,
so.
many.
All right, man. Enjoy your COVID-19 vacations, and talk to you soon.
Yeah.